Archiving and restoring teams. If you're a team owner, you can archive a team you no longer use to prevent members from making changes. This is especially useful at the end of the year if you have class teams you don't want students to access the following year. To archive a team, follow these steps. In Teams, select the 3 ellipses in the top right and then select your teams and channels. Scroll down to find the team you want to archive. Select the 3 ellipses next to the team name. Select Archive. If you don't want members to alter files, tick the box for Make the SharePoint site read-only for team members. Select Archive. The team will be archived and will disappear from your team's home screen. If you need to access the archived team later, select the 3 ellipses in the top right and then select Your Teams and Channels. Select the drop-down next to the More button and select Archived Teams. Find the team in the Archived Teams section. You can access the team here or restore it by selecting the 3 ellipses and then Restore. After restoring, the team will appear as a hidden team in your Teams tab. You can unhide it by selecting the 3 ellipses and selecting Show.